In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho book certification. If you've been wanting to expand your knowledge and professional qualifications in accounting software, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Chrome on your computer. This is generally the go-to web browser for many people due to its speed and reliability. Making sure your browser is updated can help avoid any unnecessary technical hiccups along the way. Once you have Chrome open, head over to the search bar where the real journey begins. Here, you're going to type in Zoho certification. Press enter to initiate the search. Now, you're going to be faced with a list of potential options. Don't let all those links overwhelm you. It's important to take your time and scan through these search results. You'll want to look for the course link that most closely aligns with your learning goals and interests related to Zoho books. Once you've identified and clicked on the appropriate link, you'll be directed to the course registration page. Here you'll find helpful details about the syllabus and the duration of the course, which can provide valuable insight into what you'll be learning. Look for the registration button on this page. This is typically prominent, often in a bright color to draw your attention. Clicking on that will bring you to the sign-up form. Now comes the part where you need to provide some personal information. This might include details such as your name, email address, and possibly more, depending on the requirements. Rest assured, this information is essential for setting up your account. And, crucially, for the certification that you will receive upon course completion. Filling out these fields accurately is key to ensuring smooth processing. After you've submitted the form with your information, keep an eye on your email inbox. Zoho will send you a confirmation email. If you don't see it pretty soon, don't forget to check your spam or junk mail folder. These important emails sometimes end up there unintentionally. This confirmation email is crucial as it will include a link to gain access to your course materials and provide further instructions on how to get started. There you have it, a straightforward guide to registering for your Zoho book certification. By following these steps, you're on your way to deepening your expertise and proving your skills in Zoho books. Remember to be diligent with your coursework to make the most out of the learning experience. Keep an eye on your emails for all updates and information. Best of luck in your certification journey.